My friend, what's good? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I'm talking bass. If you haven't seen the video that I wrote about about ChatGPT and making set lists a couple of days ago, there's a link to it right there. I told you in that video that I was going to up the game a little bit and expand on that information, and it's going to be real quick. Check it out. The first thing we're going to do, remember that song list we put together? This is one of them. Let's just say I use ChatGPT to put together my set list. This is a small list. Don't worry about it. Same the concept is the same. We're going to copy this. And now I want to take this over. I'm going to go over to spotlister.com. This is not a sponsored video by Spotlister, but I think this is super dope. And I think, I think that having a Spotify account, love it, hate it, it's a tool. I use the tool. So what I'm going to do is copy and then paste all of those songs into Spotlister, right? I don't want to search as ISRC values. For those of you who don't know, that's sort of a fingerprint for a song. So I put those in. I'm even leaving the set titles and all that stuff. And then I'm going to log into Spotify. I logged into Spotify, copy, paste that in there, search. Look at this. I'm going to see how accurate it is. I'm going to call this ChatGPT demo. And if you use this, whoever put this together, they're saying buy him a coffee, buy him a coffee. Doesn't hurt, right? Doesn't hurt at all. Do I want to make those playlists public? No. But I want to create that playlist. And let's see how accurate it is. Says it was successfully created, so I'm going to open Spotify. I call this my ChatGPT demo. Now, a couple of things One thing that I noticed real quick is that I had that warm up, so it took that as a song. Obviously, we don't know who Maria is. I'm sure she's a very nice lady, but that's not what we want. But look at this. All those songs. Yep. All those songs that we put into that particular list. This was a short one, but they ended up in a Spotify playlist. Why is this valuable? Why is this valuable? Let me tell you. Because, a lot of times, sometimes people will send links to songs in like a text, and they're sending YouTube links and all that stuff. As a band leader, my rule of thumb has always been make it easy for the person on the other end. I know as a sideman, I don't want to be, if I could help it, I don't want to be going all over the internet looking for music, right? Send me a list. So if a person sends even a spreadsheet and it's got all the songs on there, but now with a tool like Spotlister, there's a Spotify playlist. I send that out to everybody. You don't have to fish for anything. Band leaders, I've now made it easy for you, right? Your band leaders, you are now making it easy for your musicians. And so I feel like if you make something easy for a musician and you give a musician that you're hiring and you give them every tool that they need to be successful, then, you get, more often than not, get better results. So there it is. That's the expansion part 2 of that whole ChatGPT. So just a recap. What I did in the first video, you got to go watch the first video, but I used ChatGPT to put together set lists for a fictitious wedding band, wedding gig that I have coming up. And then I gave it some prompts, made it put the set list together for me. I copied those songs from the set list, put them into spotlister.com. Spotlister then turns them into Spotify playlists. that I can share with my bandmates, and all is good. Everything's easy. I like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know I'm Ted, and I've been talking bass or music in general. So anyway, I appreciate you stopping by. Click that like button, the share button, and all that good stuff. The bell so you don't miss another video. All the YouTube things. And I will catch you in the next one. Subscribe or I'm coming to your house. Not really coming to your house, but it would be cool if you subscribed. All right? Until the next time, peace. 2 fingers.